Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Do you remember in previous English class we have learnt about CVC words? I hope you all have gone through all the videos and you have revised those words and you have used them also in your everyday sentences. I hope so, and I know you must have done it. You all are good children. I am Amritakar back here to revise CVC words and do few pages from Little Thinker English. So for this class also there will be 3 videos. Keep a watch on all of them. This is video 1. In this video we will revise CVC words with the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Children, let's learn CVC words through this PPT. C stands for consonant, V stands for vowel and C stands for consonant again. And together they form CVC words. You can see under the first C, that is consonant, M is there. After that under V, that is vowel, A is there. And then again under consonant, P is there. As we have learnt in the previous class, we will first say V and C together. Means instead of saying A and P, we will say ap together. Let's read the way I am reading here. M, ap. Together they form the word map. What is a map? Look at the image. Map is an image of a country or countries or an area. Let's move on to the next word. App. Tap. What is a tap? Tap is an outlet for water. You can see in this image. The next word is lad. Lad. What does lad mean? Lad refers to a boy. Children, I hope you all are reading these CVC words the way I am showing you. You all repeat after me. Dad. Dad. What does dad mean? Dad refers to father. Look at this image. A girl is sitting with her dad. Means father. Kid. Kid. Look at the image. Here we are using the word kid to mean a goat's baby. Lid. Together they form the word lid. What's a lid? Lid is a cover for any kind of container or vessels. Hit. Hit is an action word which means striking something very hard. Look at this image. You can see a man is striking a ball with the help of a bat. It. Together they form the word sit. What does sit mean? Sit refers to a posture where we don't stand, we rest our body. Look at this image. You can easily understand what do we mean by the word sit. The next word is cob. Cob. What does cob mean? Cob is a rounded part of a corn on which that yellow rounded grains are stuck. Sob. Together they make the word sob. What does sob mean? Sob is a kind of crying with short breath. The next word is rod. Look at the image. You can see a rod. Rod refers to a stick of metal. The next word is pod. Pod. Pod is a place within which peas seeds are grown. Look at the image. You can see two pods are there within which the seeds. You can see the green seeds over there. They are the peas. The next word is no et. Together they make the word no et, net. Look at this image. This net helps us to catch fish. Et. Together they form the word et, pet. What does pet mean? Pet refers to an animal which we can keep with us in our home. Look at the image of this cute pet. The next word is egg, leg. Egg, leg. Leg refers to a body part. Look at the image of the leg. Egg, egg. And together they form the word egg, keg. What does keg mean? You can see in the image, keg is a kind of wooden container. Bud. Together they form the word bud. What is a bud? Bud is a baby flower. Look at this image. You can easily understand the meaning of bud. The next word is mud. Mud. What does mud mean? Mud refers to a mixture of soil with water. Look at this image. A boy is playing in the mud. It's brown in color. The next word is bun. Together they form the word bun. Bun. Look at this image. What do you think? What does bun mean? Bun refers to a kind of bread. The last word is sun. Together they form the word sun. Sun. And what does sun mean? Look at this image. I need not to tell you. Sun is a star. What we can see every day in the morning in the sky, isn't it? This is the end of video 1.